In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate an ad group or campaign in Google Ads. Whether you're looking to efficiently manage your campaigns or experiment with different ad strategies, duplicating a campaign or ad group can save you significant time and effort. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the Google Ads homepage. This is the starting point for accessing all your campaigns and ad groups. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that and log in using your Google Ads account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. With your successful login, you'll be directed to your Google Ads home. Here you'll find an overview of your advertising activity. On the left hand side you'll see a navigation panel. Look for the tab labelled Campaigns. Click on it. This will take you to the section where all your current campaigns are listed. In this area you can manage and monitor the performance of each campaign. Next, within the campaign section, find and click on Ad Groups in the navigation panel. This will show you a list of all the ad groups you have under your selected campaign. Now you need to decide which ad group you'd like to duplicate. Once you've made your choice, simply select that ad group by clicking on it. You'll notice several options along the top of your screen. Look for and click on the Edit button. This is where you'll find the necessary option to duplicate your ad group. After clicking Edit, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Copy. By doing this, you're instructing Google Ads to prepare this ad group for duplication. The next step is pasting the duplicated ad group. Navigate to where you'd like this copy to reside, perhaps under the same campaign or a different one, depending on your objectives. Once you've determined the new location, look for the Paste option. This action will create a new ad group identical to the one you originally copied. Duplicating ad groups or campaigns in Google Ads is a straightforward process that can really streamline your advertising efforts. Remember, this function not only helps in saving time, but also allows for easier experimentation, ensuring that you can try out different strategies without starting from scratch. I hope you found these steps simple to follow. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need guidance on duplicating ad groups or campaigns in Google Ads. Thanks for watching, and happy advertising.